But my plan, dude, we literally I'm checking the map real quick. Okay, you
Hey, is this
have it.
cool? Does it look cool?
Thanks for that.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it.
You like from that third world country. 15 million more of them.
Help me! Help!
But they got pickles in here. In the store. Oh, wait, they got jars of queso or something. That's stupid. And then they got jars of more queso over here.
Enough for getting rid of those fucking cultists.
Sure, bro. And they come big cucumbers over here. They got chips, taste chips instead of Lay's. I got some of these tomatoes over here. What is a pickle ring? You know what?
Thanks
I think we're in the wrong kind of store to have a pickle ring thing. Okay, you look like you raided a SWAT cop place, so I'll let it slide.
Is it better?
Yeah, it looks realistic enough. We're taking this right here.
Yep.
Okay,
All right.
we're pretty good capturing the airfield.
All right.
I think. Ooh, Flugzeuge. Here, I got my own. It's not my own Gesetz. I don't even have to say that. All right, listen to the story here. This is what to do. Oh my.
Where you at?
Wait, what did it say? Can you taxi up a little bit?
Yeah.
Hold on. I couldn't find my plan in.
These are modeled pretty good on the inside.
Don't know. Check out mine over here.
I got like a P-51 Mustang or something.
Yep.
Are my control surfaces moving?
Hold on. My guy's so.
Am I clear for takeoff?
It actually is moving. Yeah, it is. And go. That shit you. Barrel roll. What was that?
Dude, this is so hard to fly.
You can only pull up like max deflection.
I'm looking at you.
Me too. Come on. We have to break.
Ready fight.
We have to break.
Oh my god, I'm shooting at you.
Helicopter. Get him.
I hit him.
Get him.
I'm going down.
Oh, I hit him. I'm going down. Fell out.
Help me. Come pick me up.
Alright, hold on. Alright, I survived that. How did my plane lift? Yeah, hold on. Get back to the airport over here. What was that? Was that your plane blowing up?
No.
You got this thing turboprop in reverse. Now, here we go. Boom! F-22 Raptor!
High performance takeoff. Alright, where we go?
Oh, you're right. Follow me. See if I can get there, but just like, okay, there it is, right there. Alright, okay, look. They're gonna be on the ground spawn in a fight, but we have planes, they're gonna get destroyed. If that's the right spot, I'm pretty sure it is. Hold on, I think it's the wrong spot. No, it's right. Alright, that guy's gonna be down there. Fly over. Oh, chill.
Sorry.
Boom. Alright. Alright, hold on. I'm going to the cutscene. I don't know.
Oh my gosh, I pressed the wrong button.
Wait, where are you? Oh, you hit the wrong button. Were you trying to use like a rudder or something?
Yeah.
Look at it. Okay, it just disappeared. Well,
No, it's coming back down.
I don't
I'm
see
gonna
it.
catch it.
Bro, my plane disappeared.
I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna catch it.
No, here it comes. Here it comes.
I'm gonna catch it.
It's doing a tail slide.
Please be okay. Please be okay.
Get ready your
Yeah,
waypoint,
right
bud.
I
Where
take detours where I come from.
You're right. Where I come from, it's cornbread and chicken. Your waypoint is annoying me. Where I come from, there's bald-headed women. Zip. I hear the church bells ringing. Oh, they're here. Let's move up. They're here. Is the bell still moving? The bell's not moving. This game sucks. Just kidding.
What?
Wait.
The door's closed.
Uh-oh. He's here. He's here.
No!
Uh-oh. He's here. Who died?
Johnny.
Hold still.
Are you watching this too?
It's
Yeah.
supposed to say wrath, not
Alright.
rat. Sin must be exposed so it may be absolved.
Get John Hughes ready. Move.
Hey.
Let's do it.
Never mind, he's friendly.
I killed the crossfire.
I'll take care of me. Go with Mary and finish this.
What do we do? Oh.
We're in the truck. Bro, get rid of your waypoint. Who's that flying?
Hey, I'm shooting at him.
Enemy aircraft.
Ow, ow, ow.
More coming in! Look out! Plane! I can't shake him!
Plane coming in. Behind, plane behind, get them.
I'm shooting him, bro.
Oh,
We got pennies on our ass!
Reload the gun, bro. Reload the gun.
I got him.
One of these days.
Not really, bro.
Is there a plane
Another
again?
plane.
How did they even get these planes?
Get the planes or we're
I don't know, bro.
Keep it up, deputy!
Oh, get out here, little kid.
Where'd he go?
You crashed.
Shit, that's Joe's plane! He's getting away!
Bro, John's flying
Shoot
that
it,
thing.
shoot it.
Let's get into one plane
We need a
or two. What do you think?
I don't care.
Here, you get in that one.
Don't get in the way! Take to the skies, deputy!
I'm trying. I'm fine.
Me too.
I'm following you.
Bro.
Let's shake him. I forgot how to like call for reinforcements, but you can't get the this guy come fly too.
The Father gave you a chance for salvation and you threw it
Pause one.
away. Look at what you have done. Look at the wrath you have wrought.
Oh, I hit him with a plane, with the rockets.
Losing control. Had an accident.
Remember, do not press E. Ah!
Those planes crashed! Father, protect them!
Any planes coming in?
They're going down. They're going down.
Good. Alrighty.
All right.
Ram him. Hey, Jack. Let's get him.
Do not fear. We have prepared for this. Father has shown us the way.
Where'd he go?
I just died, bro.
What?
We will await.
Oh, I'm gonna kill him.
No, I'm respawning. I literally hit him with the prop of my plane. He should not be alive right now.
Yeah. Oh, I killed him.
All right, good. I got the key. Let's go.
The key to what?
Some.
Look over Brooks' body. Yeah.
Deputy, I don't know what to say. John Seed terrorized this valley for so long. Never thought I'd see the end of him. But you can't pat yourself on the back.
Where do we go
just
now?
yet. Hudson and everyone else trapped in John's bunker need to be rescued.
We're going to the bunker
I'll
and rescue people.
I can and meet you there, but you need to go now. There's no telling what Eden Skate will do to them after all this.
Alright, we're going to the bunker right there. Be passionate on me. Oh.
I think I know why. Oh, bear.
We're good, bro. Chill. They're friendly.
He left. Wait, don't shoot, bro. Do this quietly. Or is there nobody here? There's a mortar? Ow! Oh! Wesley,
Where's your dog at?
I wish you could have, like,
Ow,
not
ow.
alerted them yet. Alright,
Oh.
let me do this, alright? This is my campaign.
You're right. I think I have one of those
Stop,
too.
dog.
Let me see. Yeah, I have a silence one too.
Smoke that dude.
Uh-oh. Oh! Got one. Ow! Go. Boom!
Juggernaut!
Boom!
Got him.
Boom! Dude, I'm sniping. Alright, here's the bunker downstairs. I think. That's right. I can't remember how to get there. Here we go.
Ow.
Down here.
Got the key. Open up.
Oh, that's what the key was for.
Lockdown.
I go
You first.
first. I go first. Ugh. Ow, do not do that. Open fire. Oh, civilians.
bro.
Civilians. Alright. They blended in so
You're
good. Don't worry, guys. We're here to save the day. Bro, will you help you?
Really, bro?
Nah.
Gotta get to the control room. It's the only way we can unlock the rooms and free the others.
I got her.
That's teamwork.
That's more like it right
Why
there.
Why is she running like that?
I don't know. Could you go a little faster, please?
Stay calm.
Nah, I'm kind of enjoying it.
The rooms are grouped together. in sections.
Wait.
That's not a bad idea.
Huh.
Rooks, keep climbing. When you get to the top, you'll come to a room where the
Huh.
pump stores all their fuel and ballistics.
Sound coming in real life.
System offline.
Earthquake!
System.
Oh, this shotgun's buns. I'm getting out my other one.
Multiple
fell.
system failure.
Did you die?
I fell. I didn't die.
System failure.
Ugh.
That's it. Shoot the fuel tanks.
I found it.
Huh. Catch on fire, buddy.
System
Trying to
offline.
run at me. Look up, look up, look up. Eyes up, eyes up. Ow, ow, hit, I'm hit.
Evacuation.
We're jumping down.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Chopper's right above you. Come on, Dippy.
I don't see the chopper, road.
To the skid.
Bro, go up, bro. Oh my god.
Grapple, grapple, grapple.
That was a close one.
Ooh, hoorah.
Save America, son. Save it. Some kitty kitties, some gummy bears.
Hey. Goddamn. I ain't never seen anything like that before.
Yeah, we died like
What?
5
Yeah,
times.
well, I hope not.
Hey. You gave us something back we thought.
Baddie. Baddie alert.
Hope. Whatever happens next, we're with you.
Ooh.
Ooh, baddie alert. Baddie
That was
alert.
a hell of a job, bro.
Mm-hmm.
The way I see it, you're the one in charge now.
Oh.
And if you ever need anything, just let me know.
Dang.
Anything.
Alright, anything.